Hi guys, I'm Peter Jensen here with SunLite Trailers. We are located in Osoyoos, British Columbia, Canada, and we manufacture Sirius Horse Trailers for the North American market, and they're all sold through our wonderful dealers. And
my name is Antwin Vloed. I'm the founder of the company and the developer of all our products, and we're really happy to be here in America.
That's so awesome. I mean, that whole European thing is what people remember about the other traders, you know, and following a path that's already been laid out for you so people understand part of it. This is great. It's great to have you guys because now everybody's talking about electric trucks and they need some aerodynamics, something with very little wind resistance.
That's
and
right.
You guys got the answer, and there's nobody else coming back to this country. So we need you guys.
yeah, and we got beautiful trailers, 8'4" for inside height, and of course torsion axles, where you have a dry weight of 2,000 pounds. They are SUV, heavy SUV towable in North America. And split divider in the S80 here, which is our tallest model. And then beside us we got the S75. We'll show you the rear ramp door combo on that one.
Yeah, absolutely. A good thing is that our products are designed and developed by horse people. So we ask them tips. What should we do? In my family, I'm the fourth generation producer, and this is already the third brand in the family, and we wanted to develop a special trailer designed, developed by horse people, and that's what we did.
Well, that's cool. That's the kind of trailer the sport horses would be, the dressage people. It's all light, white on the inside. It's inviting to a horse. You know, it's not going into a dark cave. I like the way you did this.
Hey guys, I'm here with Antwin from Sirius, and Sirius just took, with SunLite Trailers, new innovative product at the NATDA trade show for livestock. Peter, Antwin, congratulations.
Thank you very
much.
much.
We're so happy to have you guys
Thank you.
here as a first-time exhibitor. We'll be coming back to Nashville in 2023. Anything you'd like to say to the audience?
We have had a great show here, and we look forward to presenting the products to you guys through our dealer network. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a great holiday.
Woo! What's so cool about this ramp tailgate, guys?
It's a two-way rear ramp door combo option that we have on Sirius Trailers here. Antwin's going to demonstrate how it all works. And there's your swing door. Nice wide stalls, lots of clearance. In the S75 we got 8'2" for interior height, and I think I mentioned that we got 8'4" in the S80. That's right beside us.
Well, that's awesome because, you know, horses don't always like ramps, but you can teach them this and then you can slowly get them to go into ramps.
Right, right. And we also have exterior release latches for the breast bars in case we have a jumper that get hung up on the front breast bars.
Oh, cool. You're reaching from the outside?
Yes, you can, yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Release it, exterior release, yep.
Okay.
So like Antwin told me here, we call this an anti-panic device. It is the exterior release for your breast bar in case you have a jumper. It ends up on the breast bar. You simply just turn this a couple of times, and the breast bar falls down.
Twist
Turn
it.
right here, and simply pull the ring out.
Holy cow! And now they're free. We can save the horse. Because they do that. Sometimes they get tangled up in a stall.
Certainly.
They do weird things. You never know, especially a stallion and a mare. That's cool. It's good to be safe. I mean, people love trailers that are safe because they got pretty big investments.
They sure do.
There's some expensive horses out there, especially dressage and jumper hunter and the whole ball of wax.
And of course, nice large windows at the front. Excellent airflow throughout the trailer.
Do they open from the outside or
inside?
Inside, okay.
Yes, inside.
Well, that's cool.
And on the S80, as you can see, we got windows on the side and in the front.
That means this is a little wider trailer.
That's correct,
Okay.
yep.
Cool, looks like a lot of galvanized steel where there's steel. That's what that is,
So-
zinc coated?
We have a galvanized frame under the trailers and aluminum walls and fiberglass roofs on them.
Cool, that
And-
keeps it cool. Fiberglass roofs are good.
Absolutely. And we'd like to show you the tack room as well. We have a very nice sized tack room.
Okay, cool, let's go there. Man, those are for English saddles. What's this?
Well, when we get the slant load, we'll get you all set up with the Western style.
Well, cool. So then this corner here, you have the tack room.
We sure do. Swing out saddle rack. There we go. Tuck it away. Nice and spacious, bright. Yeah.
That's cool.
Sort of the
doors have a couple of bridle racks. And
yep, and a little mirror so you can check your makeup or whatever.
Well, that's important.
Yes, absolutely.
Oh,
And of course, being that we run mechanical brakes, we also have a park brake on our trailers, which is kind of neat. We got a nice handle right here to activate
yeah, that's
the park
cool.
brake.
Instead of getting looking for the chocks all the time, you've just got the mechanical brake right there, and that's what activates your trailer brake.
Yes, that is correct. No need for any brake controllers on these trailers.
Cool, a mechanical surge. That's awesome.
Yep.
Well, that's nice. You don't have to mess with having a brake controller. It's all built in.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. Now, what about this folding?
When you turn the handle, it folds up automatically.
Oh, when it goes all the way up, it
Yes.
folds that down. That's
And
cool.
lifts
It's
the
got a
wheel
hinge
right
on
up.
the bottom.
Yes.
Awesome.
Tuck it away up under the frame there.
So what are these little black boxes under the door? Is that a step?
They are wheel chokes.
Oh,
Or
you
wheel
just
chocks.
pull them off the wall and stick them on there.
That's right.
Wow, built-in wheel checks. That's cool. Yeah, you got to have airflow. When do you have that? Now, what's the back door have? I guess they just...
So we got the pull-down canvas, winter canvas here. Winter summer canvas.
Go ahead. Oh, that's cool. So when that's up, the door's up,
spring
there's
loader.
that big opening up there
That's
for the air
right.
to just keep pushing
Yep.
through. That's good. I like that idea. LED lights, of course.
Lots of airflow.
These are tall trailers.
When the horse is standing in the trailer, the headspace he has in the front, that's for the horse the most important feature of the whole trailer.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's important to talk about how that is for the horse having all that headroom.
You want to stand there? One of the biggest advantages of this brand, the brand Sirius, is that the front is huge. We have from the brass bar to the front of the trailer 140. That means that the headspace for the horse is huge. Therefore, he doesn't have to angle his head in to be in the front part of the trailer. He has a lot of space. Due to the height of the trailer, we have no problems with the radiation of the warmth. When the horse has been riding, he has to get rid of his own heat. And when the heat is coming through the roof from the outside, it's not comfortable for the horse. And in this case, we don't have that problem.
Well, it's good with a big opening on the gate. It's really easy for the air just to go on through. And then this is the escape hatch in the back. That's for ventilation too.
That's an extra ventilation hatch, indeed. Indeed, the heat always goes out at the highest point of the trailer,
Yeah.
and that's the highest point. And when the heat goes out, new air, fresh air comes in as well. So
Oh, that is
that's
cool.
also extra comfort.
It's so bright in here. It's open. A horse would just want to come in here.
Absolutely. Big tack room at the right hand side. So when you walk in with your horse holding the rope at the right hand, you will be landing on the biggest part of the trailer.
Yeah.
When the saddle room would have been at the left hand side, you're at the smallest part of the trailer. But also in case something happens, you can move away from the horse and you don't have to go out of the trailer in front of the horse. Usually the exit is at that side, but in this case it's at the left side.
Well, that's awesome. Well, let's show me this hinged door back here because that's cool for your divider. Okay, yeah, show me
Yeah.
how that divider works because that is too cool.
When you load the first horse, you make the opening as big as possible. And to give the rider more comfort, we have developed a split separation without a post to the roof, which is quite common. We have made it strong underneath the floor. We want to have this open so you can load the horse easy and there is no danger for the horse to hit his head. And now you can just swing it over without you having to lift the separation to set it to the side.
Oh, that's cool.
If
Yeah,
you want
it
to make
folds
the
both
opening
ways, so you
big.
can use it both
Absolutely.
ways. That's
Yeah,
awesome.
sure. It goes
Wow.
both ways.
Well, that's great. Cool. Well, thanks, guys. I like your trailer.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you.
Betcha. We'll have to come see you. Now, what's your website?
SunLiteTrailers.com. It's SUNLITE trailers.com.
Cool.
Lots of pictures, videos. We have all of our wonderful dealers in Canada and the US listed. We have quite a few more joining us now, especially in the US, and we're very excited about that.
Oh, awesome. Glad you showed up.
Thank you.